Hi and welcome to your very first section in this course. In this section, we're simply going to be introducing Python and making our very first app. In this introduction to Python, we're going to be going over installing Python and using IDLE, which is a development environment that comes with Python. We're going to look at what variables, strings and integers are, and strings and integers are just types of data the computer can hold. We're going to be looking at methods and parameters, and then we're going to be going into creating our first app. The app is going to be called Our Age in Seconds. And this is going to be a simple program that takes our age in years and then gives it back to us in seconds. As you can already imagine, this is simply a multiplication. Multiply your years by a few numbers and you get it back in seconds. But it's going to be used to get us acquainted with some methods, some things that Python can do. Such methods are going to be the str method, used to convert a number to a string, and the int method, which does the opposite and converts a string to a number. The print and format methods, which are used to work with strings and print them out to the user so the user can see them, and the input method, which is used to get something back from the user, ask them a question. We're also going to be looking at some flow in the if, elif, and else keywords. And these are used to tell the program to do something or something else if a certain condition is met. The program is going to look something like this. We first ask the user to enter their age, they'll type it in, and then we'll give them back their age in seconds. Of course, there'll be options to extend this program further with the knowledge that we'll be giving you in this section. But that's pretty much it. So let's get started, and I'll see you in the next video.